art friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to draw a Chinese lantern to celebrate Chinese New Year. I'll first show you how to draw the basic shape of the lantern, it's like a pumpkin. And I'm also going to show you how I added some details on the lantern and how I colored it. So now let's get started. To draw the Chinese lantern, let's first start by drawing the string. And we're going to draw an oval followed by a straight line right below there. And now let's draw the two lines down and connect the bottom with a curved line. So that's the top of the lantern. So the shape of the lantern is like a pumpkin shape. So we're going to draw the two curves out from each side. Draw it down. We need to draw a big oval. So we'll bring it back towards the center like a pumpkin. And same on the other side. And now let's bring this point down. Similarly, we'll draw this point down as well. Connect the two short lines with a curved line. And we'll draw some tassels. There. And now let's draw a string that comes down again, an oval or a circle, and finally we're going to add some tassels. Simple as that. So that's the shape of the lantern, and now let's add more details. So at the top here, I am going to add 4 reference points for me to draw some details. So here, let's find the center first. And on each side of the center, I'm going to draw 2 points like that. And then I'm gonna divide this area into 2 by drawing another point. Same on the other side, there. So you can see that the 4 points kind of follow a curve shape. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to connect each of the points with a wave, with a curve. So it's a wavy line that connects the 4 points together. And I'm going to draw another layer following the same shape. That's the lantern's decoration. And now we're going to do the same at the bottom. So again, 2 points. And then now we can use the top as a reference. And now let's connect the points together. So we're going to draw a curved line to connect these 2 points together. There. Okay. And now let's add a few more decorations. we're going to add some colorful dots on the lantern to celebrate the Chinese New Year. Some are bigger and some are smaller. There, so now let's color it. And that's how to draw a Chinese lantern to celebrate Chinese New Year. I hope you guys enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and see you soon!